Hello folks, Fat Guy Flies RC here, out here at the Avon Park Field. Got a bug on the camera. We're gonna take up the F2J Fury, our FJ2, yeah, FJ2 Fury, and I've converted her. Well, I'm sorry, she's still a 4-cell bird, but let's see, right aileron, left aileron, up elevator, down elevator, right rudder, left rudder, and let's go at low rates. All right, we'll take off at mid rates, never mind. Right, up, down, right aileron, left aileron, up elevator, down elevator, right rudder, left rudder. Okay, no flaps, no brain. Anyways, I took the stock fan that was in there, which had 5 blades, and it was so loud, and so very, very loud, and replaced it with a I think it's a 12 blade 3100 kV brushless, I think it's an outrunner. I don't remember if it's outrunner or inrunner. To be honest, now I don't remember. I think it's an inrunner actually, and 80 amp ESC. And we've already done a range test, and well, let's give her a shot. A little windy, so probably not a good day to maiden anything, but she's definitely not going to be a rocket ship, that's for sure. But not bad. I'm running a 3200 Spectrum Smart LiPo in her, 4S. The receiver that I'm using is a Admiral Stability Plus receiver. Flying pretty good actually. Yeah, flying pretty good. Timer set for 3.5 minutes. Not bad. Not bad at all. Yeah, she kind of dug in there. I think low rates are going to be better. I think she's just a little too touchy. All right, let's pick her up. I like where that CG is. All right, let's get her turned around. All right. I think if I take them drop tanks off, I might even have a little more speed, and she'll also belly land. So I got low rates this time. Yeah. Whoa. Tough gear. All right. Big hole in the field there. Big hole in a runway right there. You can't see it. Oh, got a real airplane up here. Oh man, what a good looking plane. Yeah. The wind is definitely rocking her around. Oh, well, like I said, tough gear. Still got 33 seconds. Take a look at the gear real quick. Motor off. Oh yeah, still good. All right, today is just a really bad day to try to fly these planes. Yeah, because it's awfully windy today. All right. Well, motor off. I wish I had flaps. All right, let's go do our walk of shame to get the plane. All right, folks. Well, there you go. I like my setup. I just need to pick a better day. That's for sure. Right aileron, everything's working good. All right, motor off. Motor on. Motor off. Let me show you my setup real quick while we're out here. All right, I've got the Admiral Stability Plus receiver right there. 80 amp ESC. I got my antennas as 90 degrees as I can get them. 3200 4S right there in the middle. This is an Amazon. It's a RC Parts 80 amp classic brushless ESC. Just what I bought. You know, like I said, I got this plane kind of never sold, but kind of secondhand in a way. It was a demo model that hung from a ceiling in a hobby shop in North Carolina. It's brand new, but had never been sold, and basically electronics and everything were kind of rotted out, and the motor still worked, but everything else was shot. So I replaced the ESC, the receiver, the motor, and of course all that wiring goes with it. The servos and everything were good. I did have to change out one of the servos in the tail. It was bound and it wasn't any good, so I had to change that out. But other than that, we're in good shape. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and God bless y'all.